Hi, I'm Asia from B-Flex, and today I'll show you how to use sublimation markers to transfer your designs onto whatever you want. With the sublimation markers, you can customize white or light-colored polyester, mixed fabrics that are at least 70% polyester, and other hard materials such as glass, metal, or ceramics that are suitable for dye sublimation. Using the sublimation markers is very easy. All you need to do is draw your own design by hand or with a cutting plotter machine on copy paper, and then transfer it onto the object you want to customize by using a heat press or iron. Let's see how they work. You can make your design completely by hand, but remember to make it a mirrored image. Otherwise, you can trace a ready-made and printed design, but always remember to reverse it. You can also trace your own writing. Just write what you want on a piece of paper, and then trace it backwards on the other side. Sublimation markers can also be used with the main cutting plotter machines to create more complex designs. For example, you can draw the outline of the design or lettering you want with the cutting plotter and then color it in by hand. The design is now ready, so let's see how to transfer it. You can transfer the designs made with the sublimation markers using a heat press, an Easy Press Mini, or a standard iron. When using the iron, an important thing to keep in mind is to not use steam and to empty any water that may be in the iron. It is essential to carefully follow the timing and temperature instructions suggested on the product sheet, which you can easily download with the QR code on the back of the package. Before proceeding with the heat transfer of the design, made with sublimation markers, we must make sure that the inks are completely dry. And to work on a semi-rigid surface, for example, I use a hard rubber mat, but cardboard is also fine. Let's go ahead with the transfer. Place the design on the fabric with the colored side facing down. Secure the design and prevent it from moving by using a thermal tape. It's important that the design does not move during the transfer and remains firmly on the fabric, because otherwise the end result will be damaged. Cover the design with parchment paper. This step is crucial because you shouldn't reuse the same parchment paper to make another application, as the colors may transfer to the paper and ruin the new one. To transfer the design, simply place the heat press or iron on the design without applying additional pressure and hold it in place for the time indicated. Our super colorful socks are finally ready. We recommend waiting 12 hours before the first wash, and be sure to follow the instructions specified on the product sheet. Using the sublimation markers is really fun and easy. Now all you have to do is get to work and customize anything you want with your own creations. What will be your next customization? Let us know in the comments and remember to tag us. Bye!